So on to the second average rate of change formula, and I'm giving you a pretty wide variety of examples here. I want to make sure that when you run into them, you have an example to go by. So again, I'm going to start with f of x2 minus f of x1 all over x2 minus x1, and let's label my points. Alright, so now stuffing my numbers into the denominator as well as into the function is going to look like this. 3 squared minus 1 minus 3 something squared minus 1 all over, I'm going to do some subtraction. So x2 is 3 and x1 is 2. So I got my substitution. Now let's just simplify until I get to a number. 3 squared times 3 is 27 minus 1 minus 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 1 all over 3 minus 2, which is 1. So let's finish up the math. I get 26 minus 11 over 1, which I don't have to write. And 26 minus 11 gives me 15. And that's my average rate of change over the interval. Okay, let's look at a rational function. All right, x2, x1, and I'm going to stop writing my formula. So f of 4 is going to be 1 over x minus 4. Sorry, 4 minus 2 minus 1 over minus 2. I better just fill this in, and then I get a negative sign there. So x1 is 4, x2 is negative 2, 4 minus a negative 2. And let's see what we've got. So I get 4 minus 2 is 2, so I get 1/2 in the numerator minus, so I get 1 over negative 4. That means that those two negatives are going to go positive, and that's going to be over 6. So 1/2 plus 1/4 all over 6 over 1. 1/2 and 1/4, I'm going to change the denominator to 4, so I get 2/4 plus 1/4 times 1 over 6. 3/4 times 1 over 6, and that'll give me, reduce, looks like 1/8. So my average rate of change over that particular interval is 1/8. On to the next one. All right, negative 2, I'm going to put in negative 2 to the third minus negative 2 x to the third all over 0 minus a negative 2. All right, I have a 0 here and a negative 2 here. Okay, well, my first term goes to 0 minus, and I get negative 2 to the third, which is negative 8, times another negative 2, which is positive 16. And I still have that negative in between the two functions, so I get 0 minus 16 over positive 2. So it looks like the average rate of change here is going to be negative 8. Okay, probably a pretty good place to stop this video, and we'll see you on the next one.